Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these passion twist crochet. Let's jump right into it. I have sectioned off the front from the braids in the back into singles. I have 2 strands twisted them, and I did the brick-lay method so that none of the parts are actually going with the braids in the back. Here you're going to see me separating 2 strands of the deep wave Freetress hair. And I use 2 pieces for each braid, each twist. And this is how it should look. I'm going to take some water and I'm going to spray it on. I'm going to crochet the extension here through my hair. Now that it has 2 pieces, I'm going to use my Cream of Nature twisting cream. You can use edge control if you want. I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to place it on whichever side I want, and I'm going to twist all the way down to the bottom. And this is how it should look. I'm going to do this around the whole perimeter of the front section that I've sectioned off. If you see me twisting and pulling, that's actually how you do this method, the passion twist method. You twist down and you pull. I did do the last two off camera, but this is how the front looks. I have 8 straight braids to the back, and I'm moisturizing it with the 7 oils. You can get it at your local beauty supply store, and I sprayed it with water. These are how the ones that I've pre-done look, and they dried, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that here. It's the same way. I just used a piece off of my blinds. I didn't use my husband to hold this the whole time. This is just me demonstrating to you all. I'm pulling it, I'm twisting and pulling. And this look is inspired by the boho babe. This is the actual hairstyle that she started. And when you're ready, you just slide it off, and this is how it looks. When you're installing these, you're going to install them the same way that you would if you were installing crochet box braids or crochet twist. It's done the exact same way. And I'm going to do that until I reach the last one once I finish. I did lay my edges off of camera, And I did mousse it off camera. Alright, I am done installing. I love how these turn out. They're super cute and they're soft. And no one can tell that it's actually a crochet. These can be worn in a ponytail. This is just me playing around. And this is how the back should look. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.